A warning tonight from a local business. Ian Lintner is the co-owner of Lloyd's Glass. He says someone is trying to scam their customers. Lintner says the scammers are telling customers there's a problem with their windshield. He says they offer them appointments and cash to have their windshields replaced with new ones they don't need.
We've seen a lot of windshield scams over the years, but this one is new to us. We're not sure how these scammers are accessing the customer information, but it's very concerning, and we just want to make everyone aware that we're never going to reach out to you in this manner. We're never going to ask for additional monies. We're never going to try and convince you with $100 to create another claim on your insurance.
Lintner says he has filed a police report. He's asking all his customers to be careful about giving out any information if they get a call about replacing a windshield.